Alright, we're at the hot springs. I'm right in a no parking zone, so hopefully there's not an issue. But we're about to head in. So we got about a 10-minute ride. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. See you guys in there.
Not if we see you on camera.
See you first. Alright. A little bit weird with the camera on the trail right in front of my face, but we'll see. Hopefully my audio and everything's working. I gotta kind of watch around my camera. Oh, hello. Came up fast on them. A little bit of moisture in it. We're good to go though. So it's a 3 or 4 mile trek in, not too bad. Takes 10 to 12 minutes roughly. I gotta be a little slow because how many people are out here today? The parking lot's full, that's what's nuts. We're working on the mapping on the bike, so hopefully it's good. So far, so good. I'm trying to do this quickly so the video lasts the whole time and we can make a real good video. On the way back we'll do a backpack mount, so it's third person. Try to go back quickly. Try to give people a little bit of a heads up as I come around the corner. A lot of people don't understand that it's a motorcycle trail too. They don't know it, so we don't know how many people we're gonna make mad. But man, this thing is fun to ride. I'm gonna try to close off the helmet to get a little bit more noise reduction. See if it helps with the sound of the microphone. I'm testing an Amazon microphone right now. Seeing if we could talk while riding. If not, whatever. Whew, that part got skinny. They look pumped on it at least. At least some people are excited about it. Should be coming up on the halfway point right here at the bridge. Got a little hard enduro section right here. It gets real steep, real rocky. Yep. Nice and easy. If you can hear my breathing, I'm sorry. That hiatal hernia has me breathing really hard. The main trick if you're gonna ride this trail is up here on the split to go to the left, not the right. So right here, go up, not down. It gets too skinny on the down, I think. I'll tell you what, this is a lot better than walking. Let's see if we see those Karens later. Trail is actually extremely fun. Like, it's just technical enough to have a good time, but without dabbing feet. I could ride this stuff all day, have a blast. Hey, met that guy last night, I think it was, if that was the guy I thought it was. Building that back muscle. Ooh, almost caught the GoPro mount with the tree. I really hope this footage comes out good. Starting to smell sulfur, we're getting close. Little double. Last little rocky hill climb's cool. I just really hope there's an opening for me to put the bike. I'm glad to see there's a lot of people coming out. That means there's going to be more space inside. I think I saw my Swiss buddies RV here. I met them at some hot springs a few days ago in Colorado, and they were coming to Supercross. They were asking about this place. Man, I always feel like we're getting close, but we're not. Let's see. Now we are. Look how beautiful that is. Bright blue water. Last little hill climb, and then we're gonna crest into the beauty. Yep. We are here. We gotta go that way. We are at Fifth Water Hot Springs. It is currently snowing. We're in shoulder deep hot water, about 105-degree water. There's a few more pools above and below me. Beautiful waterfall, beautiful scenery. Weather is amazing for hot springs. We rode the dual sport right up in here. It's about a 4-mile hike in, so it saved a lot of time. Got to ride straight to the water.